Watch yourself. It's going to come in your way.
Sure, I'll get it.
Okay.
5 minutes. Well, yeah. Just imagine though if it were a longer log.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It does is a lot bigger than this.
Yeah.
I cut mine at home at 12-foot lengths.
Yeah.
It's a nice looking grain on that one.
It is.